I'm the greatest mathematician
man deyapti, eng zo'r matematikman deyapti.
on earth.
Yer yuzidagi.
They call me the walking calculator.
They call me degani bu meni chaqirishadi demoqchi-da. Working calculator, ya'ni yuradigan kalkulyator deb ular meni chaqirishadi demoqchi.
81 divided by
Misol beryapti.
plus 4
Why are you using dividing? Why are you dividing it?
Nima uchun bo'lyapsan uni demoqchi. Mana shu raqamlarni nima uchun bo'lyapsan demoqchi.
Why is it doing divide? Why are you dividing? Why are they dividing?
You are the working calculator.
Sen axir yuradigan kalkulyatorsan-ku demoqchi.
But I'm not working now. I'm just standing here looking at you.
But I'm not working now. Lekin hozir men turibman deyapti, yurmayapman deyapti. Bro got tired working, let him stand now. Bu bola deyapti, charchab ketgan, yuraver deyapti. Unga ruxsat beriladi tik turishga deyapti. Working calculator X deyapti, standing philosopher, ya'ni yuradigan kalkulyator emas, turadigan filosof, faylasuf demoqchi.